The only thing I'm going to say is that, it's time to do some deep reflection. I don't want you to end up with a 40-year sentence, man, because of the no self-control. I really thought we had something. What's going on?
Franklin on the back.
This is huge. Judges don't usually show disappointment unless they've really invested in someone. What do you think? Does disappointment hit harder than anger in a courtroom?
Allegedly threatening another resident with a fork and kicking their car while they hid for safety. Franklin claims he's being targeted, that he's the one suffering, but the judge sees a heartbreaking pattern repeating once again. This isn't just a case where it's a crisis. Let's get to court.
Oh, Ladon.
Yes.
You pick up a new case?
He did. He picked up an ag assault with deadly weapon upstairs.
Hey, Deputy, you going?
Huh?
Don't mind bringing him out?
He's
Please.
buried a couple days this week because not getting brought up.
Ladon, please. Ladon, right?
Yes. I spoke with the state a couple times this week.
Why do I not see it on document?
He got rolled from yesterday. I don't know.
Oh, it's Franklin's last name, maybe.
Yes, I'm sorry. Franklin is last.
I got it.
He has a terroristic threat here, and he picked up a substantial felony upstairs. And I think his bond is at 40,000 upstairs, which I know he can't possibly make. So. Yes. He's adamant he didn't do anything. This is Mr. Ladon. And I'm Mr. Franklin. I'm sorry, sir.
After all that we've gone through, gone through trying the this, the that, and now you've picked up an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Don't talk about the case, Mr.
He's
Franklin.
a prosecutor.
The only thing is, I cannot express.
Notice how the judge isn't talking about punishment yet. He's focusing on trust and progress lost. In legal terms, that's a big red flag when a judge feels let down. Bail and sentencing decisions can turn fast.
My 35th year, I haven't done nothing.
So look, I don't even know what happened. I want to know. So he picked up an ag assault with that. What happened? Please, just don't say anything, please. I just want to know what happened or why they're saying what happened. Okay.
On March 17th, 2025, at approximately 5:48 p.m., officers were dispatched with an aggravated assault call at a resident in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officers met with the complainant, who stated they are a resident in a group home. The complainant stated that the defendant is a person they have known for 3 weeks. The complainant stated the defendant arrived at the group home around 5:38 p.m. and knocked on the front door multiple times, cussing at another resident due to them not opening up the front door fast enough. The complainant stated the defendant continued yelling, cursing, and talking down to the resident, so the complainant tried to talk the defendant down. The defendant stated to the complainant that he was going to fuck him up, then went to his bedroom. The defendant took a hold of a fork which the complainant believed was a knife and pointed it at the complainant. The complainant asked if he was going to get stabbed, and the defendant charged at the complainant. The complainant stated they feared for serious bodily injury or death. The complainant ran and locked themselves in their motor vehicle and called the police. While waiting for the police in the vehicle, the defendant was still threatening to kill the complainant and was kicking the vehicle.
Wow. I just came from Food Town, and I went back home to eat. I was at the door, I knocked.
So just the problem is that there are some people in this life. Shikes is always happening for some reason. Always this, that, this. It's always happening. It's always happening. Don't matter where you go. I'm always stepping in, you know.
I'm not a violent person.
Your history says
No, I'm not a violent person. I'm an SSI patient. I've been dealing with this stuff all my life. As soon as they get my name
the only
to
thing
use my social,
the only thing I'm going to say is that, you know, it's time to do some deep reflection. You know, it really is time, because the thing is that I don't want you to end up with a 40-year sentence, man, because of the no self-control. I really thought we had something. I'm just so disappointed, man.
I don't know. I'm the one that's been did wrong. Just, I don't care no more.
So look, I got to revoke your bond, man.
I
So
don't know why.
Because you picked up a felony.
I'm doing everything I can do. It's people out there doing hate cases, hate crimes, all towards people like me. All I'm trying to do is just get my home back. They took it from me. Everything. This stuff is.
Here's the emotional Cor Franklin sees himself as the victim of circumstance. But the legal system runs on evidence, not personal perspective. What do you think's hold the court weigh personal struggles as much as criminal history?
this case is open. We can't do anything in here anyways. You know, what I'd like to do is, you know, have you evaluated to see how we go forward, because I just don't know.
A lot of this stuff
Can't
was
do it.
already false. Yes, all of this stuff is false. So it's me.
We'll let it. We're gonna have to wait for it to play out. I hope. I hope, Mr. Franklin, but I don't know. I got to wait to see the evidence and see what
Well,
happens.
you can't just send me to a psych ward unit or something while all of this is going on.
First, I have to have you evaluated, but I can't do that until the felonies are
This is
worked
not making no
out.
sense. This is my 35th year. I'm not have to keep dealing with this stuff.
Okay, I guess I'm going to revoke it. I'll set it at 5,001. All right, Mr. Franklin, I just don't want you to have any weapons.
And that's the story. A man battling poverty, mental illness, and past trauma, but who now faces a possible 40-year sentence if the charges stick. Judge Fleischer didn't raise his voice. He raised a mirror, hoping the reflection would be enough to spark change. Do you think the judge made the right call here? Could this situation have been avoided? Let's talk about it in the comments. If these moments resonate with you, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a case.